woke up and didn't even drink any water.
Yeah, he just said, come on, let's go get the truck.
Oh my. That thing does not want to come up. Oh shit. I can see the net? Yep.
Oh, hey, I'm recording it. You want me to get the net? Here.
Yeah, net him. Thanks, Dad. Hook's barely in. I need you to net him. I lost the last one. Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, man. Holy cow.
On that light pole. Yes, dude. That was fun. Thank you. Recording me fighting him?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's awesome. I can post it. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, man.
I can post that, dude.
Let's
You
check it
recorded me
out.
fighting them too. Yeah, bro. Dude, they're
There
way
he
better in the
is.
morning. Dad, we were here all night. Let's get him
Let's
out of
get
here.
a better picture.
I can show you.
Look at him. Now make sure you put him back.
Yeah, I'll put him back. I'll put him.
Okay.
Look at that hook. Let's show him that. Come
You
here.
good?
Show him that. Right in the corner of the mouth.
Whoa. You get it? All right. Good save. He's a big boy.
Dude, he's heavy, bro.